We have a Lowry forklift. It's a remanufactured Heister forklift. The model is an L155XD. It has a 15,500 pound lifting capacity. Runs on propane fuel. Has a GM Vortec V6 engine. Has an automatic transmission. Has a 3-stage mast. The mast is 92 inches when collapsed. Forks will raise to a maximum height of 188 inches. That's 15.6 feet. Good for high lifting applications. It has 54-inch long class 4 forks. Has 4-way hydraulics to the carriage, so a side shifter or fork positioner attachment or clamp attachment could easily be added. Mast has tilt function forward and back. This forklift's being used as our shop truck. It's regularly serviced. It's mechanic inspected and ready to work.